I love you. But now my heart is broken and I'm an icicle inside. Hello boys and girls, welcome to another vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? Oh, I'm doing fantastic. Just finished visiting RevZilla right over here. RevZilla BK, new location, soft opening. Haven't really opened yet, but I'm telling you right now, place is legit. Like it a lot. Now I'm gonna take it home. I was actually gonna go to what do you call it, the sandwich place in Queens, but I'm not sure if I'm feeling it right now. So I'm gonna kind of head home and then figure it out from there. Head home. All right, here we are. Here we are, here we go. We got some construction situation over here. My pants are stuck to me, unfortunately. Should have worn my baggy pants. So yeah, RevZilla, let's talk about it. Place is neat. I am a big fan. Big fan. I didn't know what to expect, so I mean, it's not exactly like shocking that it was bigger than I thought it would be. We're gonna get some gas over here. That works out perfect. Much bigger than I thought that it was gonna be. Much cuter than I thought it was gonna be. They have a ton of gear. They actually have I'm a picky motherfucker, right? But they got a handful of items that I do dig, if I say so myself. Guess it's not super hot right now, but it is kind of a weird time. A little bit of a weird time. What do we got here? This guy's covering a digit. That's clever. That's actually a clever idea. It's actually not a bad idea. I was gonna go straight, but I do want to take a left here because I'm trying to go to that gas station over there. But beyond that, nothing more. I mean, I guess I could go to this gas station. Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter because I do kind of want to go up that way, past all the Hasidic encampments and whatnot. Here we go. Green light, baby. I'm gonna get some gas. How do I get to the gas station? Frick. There we go. Oh. How you doing? Could I get some regular? I'm gonna pay credit. Ugh. Beautiful. I got it. Thank you so much. Nice. Thank you so much. All right. I'm gonna wait for the card as I sit here with my Ridge wallet. Holy shikey, it's fucking warm. Holy sweet shikey. Yeah, there's no stacked sandwiches. Oh, goddamn, I'm pushing my bike against that. But yeah, there's no stacked sandwiches in my future because it's fucking hot as shit, bro. Not today, because it's one of those like hot and humid days too. It's like, look at it. It's like pushing on you. $14, $5.29. God damn, I got fingered. Yo, I should have went to Haas. I guarantee you Haas was cheaper. That's all right. Overpaid like 30 cents. It's gonna be all right in the end. What do we got here? Come on. There we go. Oh, gonna wait for these folks to pass. There we go. Thank you. Bum 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 bum. There we go. Oh, it's actually cool. Maybe I should go get those stacked sandwiches. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, taxi man. Just trying to get ahead. Trying to get ahead. We're gonna have to pick another day. Stacked sandwiches. That's what I want. I've been talking about it for so long. Why don't I go today? Because I'm hot. And I don't want to deal with it. I'm too warm. You guys can do it. Don't worry about it. You can do it. Thing of beauty. What time we got? 12:48. Give me the green light. I bet I'm gonna call this vlog RevZilla review right after RevZilla, and I like barely mentioned it. Long story short, they have all sorts of freaking parts and pants and jackets and everything. Like I was saying to my buddy, the illustrator, like there's not a chance of you needing gear, right, and walking into that place and not finding at least something that you like, unless you're really fancy. Or like, you know, you're looking for specific shit. Man, I used to be at this stop all the time. Life is so weird. Love, life, things used to be very different. I used to be here with the love of my life, holding hands, kissy kissy on that fucking platform right there, waiting to take the JM train to our apartment on Willoughby. I love you. But now my heart is broken and I'm an icicle inside. La 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 la. Look at those dudes. How much you want to bet? They're gonna go, it's gonna be green. It's not the biggest enchilada in Brooklyn. Biggest enchiladas are in Queens. All right, bro, come on, give me that fucking green. Gotta be joking me. Damn, you lost my bananas. Definitely going back to RevZilla. I'll give you 100% chance of that. Little green light, red light, a run situation there. Pull up nice and gentle. Is that a cop? I don't think so. Doesn't seem so. Definitely a speed camera here, so we never speed on this block. Literally no reason to. BQE is actually moving, surprisingly. What the hell kind of a move is that? There we go. Too warm to ride right now. I don't have any like positive moves, so nobody wants to see a cranky boy. These boys are gonna block the sidewalk, guarantee you. Whatever, don't matter. See, t-shirt is the right idea, but I am a gear boy. I wear gear all the time, all the gear all the time. ATGATT, that's the name of this vlog. RevZilla, the place for ATGATTs. Ooh, there's a ring to that. All right, there you go, take a run. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, boys. I think I'll talk to you guys later. My knee hurts a little bit. It looks like it's about to rain too, so I mean, I wouldn't mind getting wet. Right about now, a little rain could actually feel good. Jesus, bro. That is faster than 30. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.